Hey, what is up guys, it's Adit here, and today I'm going to be giving you guys the full guide to making money on YouTube from beginning to end. So without any further ado, I'm going to explain how to do it, and let's get straight into it. Okay, so before we head to the computer and I show you guys how to monetize your videos, I want you guys to find an ad anywhere on this video and just click on it. It'll take you to a different page, but you can X out of that page and come back here. So I'll just pause and do that real quick. Okay, so you're back. And what happened? Well, basically what happened was you just generated a little bit of profit for me and a little bit of profit for Google. So that is how most small creators make their money on YouTube. They make it from advertisements, and that's what I'm going to be showing you guys how to do on this video. So let's get straight into it. Let's head to the computer. Okay, so now that we're at the computer, we can actually start taking a look at how to monetize our videos. So the first thing you want to do is you want to look at the conditions, and those are do you have at least 1,000 subscribers, and do you have at least 4,000 watch hours in the past year? And you can check this by going to youtube.com/analytics, and you can find out there. And don't be discouraged if you don't have this. Just keep on making videos, and you will get there. And you can come back to this video and start monetizing your videos. So next you want to go to your web browser, and then you want to go to adsense.com. So spelled like this, AdSense. And then you want to click Get Started. And then you want to put in URL the link to your YouTube channel. So that's mine. And then you just want to continue. It'll ask you for your phone number and more personal information like that, which I can't help you with because I already have an account. So when you're done with that and you create an account, come back here and we'll continue. Okay, so once you have an account, you want to go to youtube.com, just regular old youtube.com. So once it loads, you want to go to the top right of here. And then you want to press your channel account. Then you want to press YouTube Studio. Once you're inside of YouTube Studio, what you want to do is you want to go to the bottom left, go to Creator Studio Classic, and then you want to press whatever you feel about the new YouTube Studio. I don't like it as much because I feel it is just hard to use, it's too slow, and it's difficult. So that's what I'm submitting. And it'll take me back to Creator Studio Classic. Once we do that, we want to go to Channel, and then you'll go to Status and Features. Then you want to go to Monetization, and you just want to enable monetization and connect it with the AdSense account you just created. And yeah, that's just about it to creating and monetizing your YouTube videos. And other than that, when you upload your videos, you'll see a little tab called Advanced. You want to click on that and just make sure monetization is enabled. And yeah, if you ever want to change your monetization settings, you can just click monetization over here, and you can just go through this. Anyways, so now I'll show you how it works. So if I go to my channel, and I go to one of my videos, let's go to my newest one. We will get an ad because my videos are now monetized. So ads will start appearing, and if I click on it, mine won't do anything because it's my own channel. But if somebody else did this, it would actually generate a few cents in revenue for me, which is cool and it's great. So yeah, basically this will start happening to your videos, and it's super cool. And if you ever want to see how much money you're making, you can go to adsense.com, and instead of signing up, you'll just click sign in. And yeah, just those 2 steps and you're making money on YouTube. And yeah, that is about it to doing this. And yeah, I'll see you in the outro. Anyways, that is it for this video. My new upload schedule will be every weekend from now on. And yeah, I have a new album coming out on the 20th of December. I'll have more details on that later. But yeah, that should be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.